Today's embroidery is inspired by the peaceful beauty of Sashiko embroidery and the simplicity of basic stitches. Our goal is to keep things gentle and accessible, so even beginners can feel confident stitching. Let's begin with the flowers. I'm using all 6 strands of embroidery floss to make them soft and full. Each stitch is simple and easy to follow. Just enjoy the rhythm. Take your time and just follow along. I've shared every important step, kept short, simple, and easy to understand. Many of you ask, how do you transfer your patterns so cleanly? We actually use our own DIY transfer method. It's different from the usual techniques. You'll find the video link pinned in the comments, and the pattern PDF is in the description below. Now, we'll move on to the leaves. I'm using 4 strands this time, still using the same stitch, the running stitch. It flows naturally into simple leaf shapes with ease. Next, we'll stitch the stems. With just 3 strands, the lines stay soft and light. Follow the pattern gently, 1 stitch at a time. It's all very calm and simple. And here it is, our finished design, made entirely with 1 basic stitch. Clean, simple, beautiful. Here's a short recap. We fixed our pattern in the hoop, stitched the flowers with 6 strands, the leaves with 4, and the stems with 3. Instead of lazy daisy stitch, we used only running stitch, to create a full floral design that's easy yet elegant. Thank you so much for watching. You can download this pattern in the description below. And don't forget, our special transfer method video is pinned in the comments. If you enjoyed this peaceful project, please like, subscribe, and come back for more simple, beautiful embroidery.